Hey folks, if you run an e-commerce store or you run Google ads or Bing ads, you would love this one. So today we're going into making a high quality paid search experience. All right. Now this is not going to be about Google Shopping ads. This is going to be specifically about paid search, and how you can really get the best out of your paid search traffic. So first things first, when someone makes a search query, they're basically telling you exactly what they want to see from you. So if you're selling, a shoe, and people are searching, for like waterproof shoes, or if you're selling pans and they want to find environmentally friendly non-stick pans, they're telling you what they want to see, all right? So half the battle of paid search is figuring out what your product delivers on that can be an answer to the questions currently being asked, Google or Bing or whatever it is you're running ads on, all right? In our previous time, we talked about the hero section. On top of your site should always directly answer or address what someone searched for. So if someone is searching for an environmentally friendly frying pan, you definitely want your hero section, the top part of your site above the fold. You want to show your product, but you definitely want to take care of those queries: non-stick pan and environmentally friendly. What this means is, in showing your product, you take care of the frying pan part because they can see it. Now you want to make sure you spotlight those environmentally friendly attributes on that hero section. All right. Now, this is important because it's paid search traffic. They are looking for direct answers, and they do not have patience to scroll down half the page and see if you're actually giving good information. So moving forward, the goal of the post search page, which is your landing page that you're running to paid search, the goal of that page is essentially to present your product as a suitable must-have solution for whatever the searcher is searching for. All right, every part of your page ideally should be tilted towards the search queries. So what this means basically is that if someone is searching, for that frying pan is environmentally friendly, even if no matter what, you want to make sure your site is providing those environmentally friendly value props. Make sure of that. Next, let's talk about the why section. So this is a part of your site where you basically explain, why your product exists, why it's in the market, what it does, what it solves, and how it'll impact the buyer's life. All right. This problem should ideally be very, very deep and very relatable. People should understand why. For example, if you are running a non-stick frying pan page and you are building a why section, your why section should address other pans that fail at this, that eventually have sticky areas that you decided to avoid, and talk about how you did that. It should also address the environmentally friendly part of it. Like, are there like Teflon, like are there PTFEs, are there these, why didn't you use those ingredients, right? And if you can, include some stats, etc. And all of this, the problems in the why section that you're addressing should definitely be aimed a little bit more at the query the person searched for. So there should never be a page that doesn't have anything about environmentally friendly value props that people are searching for, environmentally friendly things, and landing on this page. So make your landing page directly answer whatever question the searcher has. And this goes down the entire page. Every part of your page will be cascading and answering these questions, addressing these concerns, and back and forth. So the reviews section, this is a pretty interesting one because in this section where you have your reviews, you can basically highlight some of them. You can pick out a few, and some websites have review sections that essentially pop up on the page and show you like spotlighted reviews. You can do that, and what you should be doing is spotlighting the reviews that speak directly to the thing that people searched for. All right, now this could be a lot of work, and we'll go into that a little bit later. On the video section now, what you want to do here is, first off, many sites don't have this, but this is going to be a must-have because people are buying more and more based off of videos. You can see someone's energy and someone's, you can see the person actually believe what they say or not in the video, and you can see what the product is, how it looks, how big it is, all these different things, right? This is important stuff. And when you have a video section, people can really, really see what you're talking about and relate to it. So in the video section, what some people do is they will have like a section of 4 TikTok or in short form vertical videos on their site where they have either customers explaining, their experience with the product, or you can have the founder talking about their experience having made the product or explaining why they made it. In this section, you want to make sure that you're answering the query with the videos. So if you have a query, have some videos that might go into, why you made it this way because it solves the person's query. Or, a customer talking about why they love it related to the query, right? All these things need to be built so that they're tackling the query that people have when they're searching for this thing. Now, if you have like Liquid IV, if you have a hydration product and people are searching for hangover solutions, you can have a video of maybe your founder or a doctor or a customer talking about how it helped them during a hangover, or talking about why the ingredients are perfect for hangovers, all that kind of stuff, right? If you design a page that is tilted towards a certain search, let's say you have like top 5 different really similar highest volume search queries, 100% design your page, a landing page, to directly address and answer those search queries. That way people search for your site or search for your product on branded search, which is, they don't know your product's name, but they still search for a product in that category. That way when they search that, they will get good information. They'll get an ad for a product, but they'll also get their question answered. And those are the things that Google looks for and Bing looks for to decide exactly how good an ad is and whether they should lower your click-through costs, etc. All these things are super important. So this is basically a playbook for you to use this and figure out how to design your pages for paid search for Google Ads, because this will absolutely raise your revenue. You'll see at least a 30% increase in conversion rate within about, I would say, 2 weeks of doing this. Anyway, take care, guys. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe, give me a like, and let's move forward. Let's see how much we can help your store increase in revenue.